morning, everybody. Yeah, I got a little package in the mail yesterday, and I've been wanting to get one of these to speed up the setup for my reloading on the Hornady. Well, better take this out. It's a case activated lower assembly. It's got everything I need to do. That way I can go from one caliber to another, use the same powder measure, just change this adapter. Let me go over here to the press and show you what it does. Okay, here's what we got. If I can just get this where I can see what I'm doing here. With the Hornady, you have a bushing on here, and this is adjusted for my 9mm. So all I will have to do is get this one set up for the 45. All I have to do is just take screw off this arm, the spring, and put one of the quick connects on there, and I'll be ready to go. It'll make it simpler for setup. Then of course all I have to do is adjust the powder charge itself. And I find that these bushings, I just grab a little plier and just lock it in that way. Makes it easier than trying to use my goofy hands. And that will let me have a quicker setup where I don't have to adjust the case length each time. Like I said, this one's set up for the, grab the 9mm here. Oop. You can see it just trips everything up. Got my height set, and when I get done, I'll just put a little sticker on here for 9mm, one on here for 45. And when I change everything over for the 45, it will be ready to go. I can use the same powder dumper, just make it a little quicker. I've got a couple of these extra bushings that lock in here, but it should speed the setup a little bit. Okay, I've got the die set all the way down to the shell plate, locked in. Got the unit here. Get this like this. Got the screws. Now what we have to do is take off the spring. See how we get that off of there. That just lifts off of there. Now we take this for the arm. Off. And we just slide this shaft out. And put the bushing in there. Okay, I'll try to block this. Just drop that down. Get that in here. Hope you can see what I'm doing here. Locking that in here. And take the spring. Hook it right there. Okay, we got that. Now let's get a 45 case. Got a 45 case. Of course, it hasn't been sized or deprimed or anything like that. Okay, we got it. Pull it all the way down to the bottom. And all we have to do is kind of lock it in, lock this in. Do-do-do-do. Yeah. Okay, let's lock this nut in. Okay, that's locked in. Now I want to do is loosen this up a little bit. And turn this facing forward. Snug these up. Now she's set up for the 45. Yep. Now all I gotta do is reverse the procedure when I get ready to. Now that it's all set up, this is already set up for the 9mm. That'd be for the 45. So when I get ready to do it, rather than have to make the adjustment up and down, all I gotta do is drop this in, take this out, drop it in, hook the spring up, lock the arm in, and we'll be ready to go. So there we have it. The case activated lower assembly unit for the Hornady AMP. Cool. That should work. Get this over here. Yep, go all the way to the top. Right where I want it to go. Thanks for watching. God bless America and our armed forces, past and present.